Welcome to ASMR Shana. Today, relax as we bring you a gentle and satisfying ear cleaning session. This video will give you natural, comforting ASMR sounds to help you calm down, relax, and enjoy peaceful moments. The ear cleaning begins softly with gentle touches and strokes. You can hear the delicate brushing as the tool moves around the outer ear, creating relaxing scratchy and brushing sounds. The tiny movements are slow and careful, making sure every stroke brings soft tingles and a sense of comfort. The natural texture of the ear and the tool creates a smooth sound, perfect for ASMR lovers who enjoy simple and soothing ear cleaning. As the cleaning continues, the tool carefully works to loosen the earwax. Each small tap, gentle scratch, and soft pull creates calming sounds. You will notice the gentle resistance as the wax starts to move, creating natural ASMR triggers. The sound is never harsh, it is slow, steady, and deeply satisfying. The child stays completely calm and comfortable, making the whole session even more peaceful. Slowly, small pieces of earwax begin to come out. The soft popping, crunchy, and pulling sounds are natural and enjoyable, perfect for giving you tingles. Every small removal brings relief, and you can almost feel the ear becoming lighter and clearer. The tool works carefully to make sure the ear is cleaned without any rush, focusing on every tiny detail. The tapping, scraping, and brushing sounds continue with a steady rhythm. You might notice how these simple sounds help you to feel calm and relaxed. The ear cleaning feels natural and traditional, just like old-style ear cleaning sessions. The soft sounds of wax being removed, the gentle brushing, and the peaceful environment all combine to give you a perfect ASMR moment. Finally, as the cleaning ends, you will hear the lightest and softest sounds, signaling that the ear is now clean and fresh. You are left with a relaxing, comforting feeling, ready to enjoy deep sleep or peaceful rest. Thank you for joining ASMR Shana.